Thank you for sharing this meditation journey with me. Before we begin, find a position that feels right for you. If your intention is relaxation, sit in a comfortable chair, place your feet flat on the ground, and let your hands rest on your lap. If you're seeking restful sleep, lie down, stretch out in bed, and let your arms fall naturally beside you, palms up if that feels comfortable. Otherwise, you can place your hands gently on your abdomen or chest. I want to touch on two essential things before we begin. The first is grounding. Grounding means feeling secure and deeply connected. If you're seated, imagine your feet touching warm earth or sand, feeling rooted and steady. If you're lying down, visualize your bed as a soft beach, embracing and grounding you in a warm, secure space. The second focus is on breathing. When I guide you to take a deep breath, I mean drawing the breath deeply into your abdomen. Imagine placing your hands on your belly and feeling it expand with each inhale. Let your shoulders remain low, soft, and at ease. Breathe slowly, more deeply than usual. This rhythm helps guide you deeper into relaxation. Now let's begin. Take a few slow, deep breaths. Let yourself be transported to a peaceful state. Imagine yourself settling into your favorite, most comfortable chair. Feel its support and the way it wraps you in ease, inviting you to let go of all responsibility. This is your peace chair, a sacred place where you're free, calm, and at rest. Take a deep breath, envision yourself there, and feel the comfort of total freedom. Beside you in this tranquil space, a beautiful candle of peace awaits. Visualize yourself lighting this candle effortlessly, watching it glow warmly just for you. Breathe deeply, feeling its glow spreading a soothing energy in this quiet, peaceful sanctuary. Now picture a light, soft blanket nearby. Without needing to reach for it, imagine it gently covering you, perfectly warm and in your favorite color. Notice the letters P-E-A-C-E woven across it, enveloping you with calm and protection. Take another deep breath, allowing this peace blanket to comfort you both physically and emotionally, wrapping you in warmth and security. Now, I invite you to bring the word peace into your mind. Say it softly to yourself. Peace. 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 Breathe into this powerful feeling of peace and notice where it settles in your body. Let this calm flow to every part of you, relaxing each area as it travels. Feel peace settling into your face, relaxing your forehead and jaw. Your jaw opens slightly, releasing tension. Take another deep, slow breath and allow peace to move down through your neck, warming the muscles there. Let this peaceful energy continue its journey, easing tension in your shoulders and spreading warmth across your upper back. Imagine your hands resting over your heart center, feeling the depth of this peace radiating out with each heartbeat. Visualize it flowing through your bloodstream, reaching every cell, filling you with calm and comfort. With your next deep breath, guide this peaceful energy through your upper abdomen, then down to your pelvis, filling these areas with tranquility. Let this warmth travel into your hips, releasing any burden or weight held there. Feel this wave of peace spreading to your thighs, your knees, your lower legs, and finally reaching your feet and toes. Each breath draws this comfort deeper, bathing your entire body in healing peace. Now imagine this peaceful energy surrounding you like a soft, protective aura. Let it flow smoothly from your head down to your toes, wrapping you fully. This calm washes over you, easing you from the inside out, filling both mind and body. Allow this powerful feeling to touch any place inside you that holds stress or pain. Just breathe into it, letting peace dissolve any heaviness. Know this calm is strong enough to support you through anything. Take a slow, deep breath, bringing your awareness to the warmth and comfort within. Understand that this feeling is your sanctuary, available to you anytime, already part of your mind and body. Now express gratitude for this experience. Feel appreciation rising from within, knowing you've created a space of healing and peace that's always accessible to you. Take one last deep breath, stretch your legs, rotate your ankles slowly, and feel the ground beneath you. With your eyes closed, raise your arms gently and rotate your wrists. Place your right hand on your left shoulder, your left hand on your right shoulder, and give yourself a gentle hug. Rock gently, as if you were comforting a child, letting this warmth settle in even deeper. When you're ready, bring your hands to your chest and remain in this space of peace a little longer. When you're ready to open your eyes, know that the feeling of healing peace is with you deep within your spirit. Let this blessing carry you into the rest of your day or night. Take your time. This peace is yours, and it will stay with you.